Good morning guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I am going to the beach today, St Kilda Beach, which is really exciting because I haven't been there in a long time and I've never been with friends. So that's going to be good. I just had my breakfast, just a couple of scrambled eggs. I'm going to brush my hair, do a bit of makeup. I don't know if I want to swim. I mean, it doesn't look like it's overly warm out there. At the moment it's 17 degrees and it looks nice out there. Like the sky is blue, only a couple of clouds. I'm just not sure if I actually feel like swimming. I won't be there the whole day because I've got something else tonight / afternoon, the Christmas breakup for my scout group. And that is about it for the day. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
Stop now. I had a little bit of trouble finding it because I entered the wrong direction on the maps. I put Dandenong Road and it was taking me in the wrong direction. Thank God I realised. Anyway, the tram is coming in 10 minutes or so, so yeah. Alright, so I got lost indefinitely, which is really embarrassing and annoying, but I have found the tram stop now, but I was waiting so long to cross that I missed the tram, and so the next one's coming in a few minutes, which isn't too bad, I guess. But yeah, my friend's not there at the beach yet, so that's fine. Okay, wrong tram, after wrong tram, after wrong tram. I finally made it. I'm finally here. So I'm waiting for my friend and her sister to meet me, and I think we're meeting over there. Yeah. Which way are we going? This way? Why is there not a penguin everywhere? This will be a cool place to eat, right?
Yeah, I've actually never been along here.
Me neither.
Me and my dad go to a restaurant further down. It's quite expensive, but we go down there for like his birthday.
We never come here, so.
Really? I love it.
I love it, but we just don't come. And we've made it to the beach. Yay! Love love. Gave him boobs.
You're a fan of my boobs.
Maddie. Hi. Having fun? What's your favourite thing about the beach? Yeah. And getting tanned.
Straight through here.
The boardwalk.
They're bored.
Yeah, I'm quite sandy too. This is nice. Oh, through here is it? Huh. This is not what I expected. They have quite nice eating areas around here. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, sure it's on.
Ooh, an egg roll.
Yes.
That was you. Get over it.
I wish I'd put it on camera when they were like calling at each other. Yeah. What's your problem, mate?
How did you think
And in a fight of the birds,
movie or whatever it's called, Slurpee?
something might go down. I just got done hanging out at the beach and I'm going to go get myself an ice cream. The place is just up here. And then I'm going to walk to the tram stop and go home. Yeah, that's about it for now. Oh, maybe they're closed? Damn. Damn, they're closed. Ah. Alright, they're closed. I'm going to have to get a sandwich from here.
Okay, so I did forget to film my outro last night. I was very, very, very tired after I got home from the scouting event. It was just the Christmas breakup for the whole group. I don't know if I mentioned what exactly it was. But yeah, came home very tired. But basically what happened there was Santa came, which is just one of our other leaders dressed up as Santa, gave the kids a gift. And yeah, and I got a couple of gifts myself actually. This one's probably my favourite. All of the leaders got one of these. I'm not really the biggest fan of wine actually, but I might like this one, you never know. And the kids were like, are you even allowed to drink? And I'm like, yeah, I'm an adult. I don't think they realise how old I actually am. Because they asked me if I'm a teenager, and technically I am because I'm 19, so I say yes. But then they also ask me if I'm an adult, and I'm like, yeah. And they're like, but you said you were a teenager. It's like, I am a teenager. I'm a teenager and an adult, but not for much longer because I'm 20 in February. So, yeah, after the breakup, they didn't have any veggie options for me because I forgot to remind my group leader, which was stupid. Anyway, yeah, I had the worst luck trying to find food afterwards. The thing is, I wasn't actually that hungry, but I did want something. So I went to Subway, and then they had closed half an hour ago, and it was 8:30 at this point. And then I went into the Coles Express next door, and they always have sandwiches, but they only had one, and it was an all-day breakfast one, and obviously they would have had bacon, so no go. And then I thought, and then Mum offered to take me to the fish and chip shop and get a veggie souvlaki, and I'm like, not that hungry. They would probably have been closed anyway. And then I thought maybe I could get a vegan cheeseburger thing from, what's it called, Hungry Jack's, but then, yeah, really wasn't hungry enough to justify it. I'm like, yeah, I'll just go home. My dad had saved some Latina for me anyway, but bleh, I'm sick of that stuff, so, yeah, and didn't end up having dinner. I just fell asleep not long after I got home, maybe an hour, and then I just dozed off. Quite tired. that is all that happened that day. Just the beach, went to the park for the scanning thing, and that is about it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!